We're back for another episode of YYE, You're Yonge and Eglinton. I'm Jamie Harnish, Toronto Real Estate Navigator with Bosley Real Estate. We're continuing the conversation with Jen Liu at Vibe 10 Studio. Wanted to speak with her about her Higher Vibes initiatives that she has going on at the studios. So more on that with Jen coming up now. Jen, welcome back.
Thank you.
We were talking kind of off camera before we got started the previous episode about some of your extra initiatives that you have going on through your studio, and I wanted to dedicate an entire episode to that. So, looking at your website, you've got some stuff. You talked about financial accessibility for your members, but you're also an accessible studio to other people as well, not just members. So do you want to expand on that?
Yes, thank you. Right, so all of that you're referring to is part of our Higher Vibes initiative. So this was created because an equal motivation to me wanting to provide a facility where people and members can come. I wanted an opportunity where teachers or yogis would like to grow. A part of our Higher Vibes initiative is one of them, we have an energy exchange program, and that's literally like in exchange for services or helping at the front desk and cleaning the studio, then that person can take free classes here and they become part of our team that way. And it's wonderful for somebody who's trying to get work experience but maybe is struggling to get work experience, and it helps build resumes. And then we have an internship, which is strictly for new teachers who just graduated from their yoga teacher training and are looking to build their teaching skill set before maybe actually teaching a class, because there is a level of confidence and knowledge that needs to take place. So both programs are open for application, and when one person graduates, then we are able to take in more. We take in about 5 to 8 energy exchange students at a time, and then we have one intern at a time.
We did touch on it in that kind of first episode about financial accessibility, but I was hoping you could go into a little bit more detail about your sliding scale membership. You had mentioned that it's for people who had maybe come on tough times but still feel like they need yoga in their lives.
Yes.
Is it an interview process? Do they could you just tell us how that works?
Yeah, it's more just a conversation. So this is really near and dear to me because I did not necessarily come from a super privileged home when I was growing up, and if something like this would have been available to me, I think a lot of things would have came out differently. So having a sliding scale membership is basically someone reaching out privately to my personal email, explaining that they would like to take yoga but maybe can't based on the prices that we have. And we just sit down and we have a talk on how coming to class may affect them positively and what benefits could come out of it, and then we work from there. And everything is strictly confidential. It's not a lengthy application, it's more just let's meet each other and see how it is that I can help you with what it is that I have, and what, based on their schedule, what is something realistic in terms of how many classes they can come to, so that it becomes an achievable thing and it's not this daunting task. And then, do you know what I mean?
Yes.
Yeah.
Jen, I want to thank you again for your time. Remind people again where they can find you.
So I'm located right at Yonge and Castlefield at 2481A Yonge Street above La Boheme Cafe. It's just north, a couple blocks north of Yonge and Eglinton. Online, you can find us at our website is www.vibe10studio.ca, or you can just DM us on Instagram, and our handle is @vibe10.
Perfect. Thank you, Jen.
Thank you.